Hello, my lovely children. Children, today is your maths activity. We are going to make a working model of maths. The topic is addition. So what we will do, we will make a addition machine. Okay, so let's go. So for addition machine, what you have to do, first you have to take a page of your maths notebook, or you can take any page, any newspaper, or you can take the scrapbook page, any page, okay, any color paper. So I have taken this type of two paper. Okay, what you can do, it's very easy. You just easily, if you are taking a paper off from your notebook, just you make a fold like this. Okay, and what you have to do next, you have to cut it. So please take the help of the parent to make it two halves. Now what you have to do, you have to just put the Fevicol and just you have to paste like this, and now it become a cylinder. Okay, so children, now I have made two cylinders, okay, like this. So it's very easy now. So I have this color paper, so I am using this color paper and make two cylinders. Now after making of these two cylinders, what you have to do, you have to take a base. Now what you have to select, you can use any old notebook. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे एक old notebook लिया है. So in this old notebook you can also paste it like this. ठीक है, इस तरीके से. And just remember, you have to paste it like this. Just make a shape of V. Okay, or if you are doing with this maths notebook paper, so you have to just paste it like this. So beside this notebook, if it is your choice that you can take this plate also. आप एक plate ले सकते हैं, and आप in that plate you can place it like this. So it is your own choice. Okay, I have taken a cardboard. मेरे पास एक cardboard था, एक piece of cardboard of any size, it's not matter, and I have wrap it with a beautiful color paper, and then I'll just paste it like this. ठीक है, so let's do it. Just mark some Fevicol here. Just put some Fevicol here. Okay, and just I'll make it like this. Okay, now you have to wait for some time so that it pastes nicely. After 5 minutes, when it's pasted nicely, what you have to do, you have to take a black sketch pen or any dark color sketch pen, and you just put a mark of addition. Means you have to make the sign of addition. ठीक है, like this. It's not necessary कि just you take a black color, you can use any color. And at the top you can put a heading like addition machine. Okay, you just write here addition machine. Addition machine, like this you can write at the top. Okay, next what you have to do, you have to stand it like this. आपको इसको ऐसे खड़ा करना है like this. Okay, so what you have to do, I have this empty box. ये घर पे होता है, हर किसी के घर पे ऐसे box होते हैं. You can take it easily, और you can take this type of sweet box, जो मिठाई के पैकेट्स आते हैं. अगर आपके घर में पुराना कोई भी ऐसे पैकेट है, then you can take it very easily. It's easily available at home. और अगर कुछ भी नहीं है, then you can just place your pencil box like this, and you just make support like this, और ये इस तरीके से खड़ा हो जाता है. Okay, so I am doing with, because I have this box, तो मैं ये बॉक्स ले रही हूँ और इस बॉक्स में हम खड़ा करेंगे. So I have taken this box like this. Okay, तो आप देख सकते हैं ये बिल्कुल इस तरीके से हमारा ये मॉडल रेडी हो जाता है. नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू डू नेक्स्ट, मेरे पास फेविकॉल है, सॉरी सेलो टेप है. सो आई विल जस्ट टेक सम सेलो टेप एंड आई विल पेस्ट इट हियर. ओके, so just take a piece of cello tape and place it like this, and now it's ready. Then you have to put a mark of equal to like this. Okay, Now assemble it like this. Just make some cutouts of addition of two numbers, and in a bowl put some nuts. So in this way you have to arrange it. So I have just placed a sheet over here, and I have a plate. Just I'll put this place here. Now let's start the activity. Let's start with the first example, that is addition with 0. So here it's 3 plus 0. So what I will do, in the first cylinder I will drop 1, 2 and 3 nuts. And in the second cylinder, here it's 0. So I will not drop any of the nuts. Then what will be the answer? So 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 nuts. So the answer is 3. Next move on, and another example of addition with 1. So I have taken 5 plus 1. So what I will do, in the first cylinder I will drop 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And in the second, 1. The total, what the result come? 6. So the answer is 6. Next, move on to another example of addition of two numbers. Here it's 4 plus 4. So what I will do, first I'll drop 4 nuts in the first cylinder, and the second 4 means again I'll drop 4 in the second. So total it's come 8. So in this way children, you can do this activity and enjoy it. Okay, bye bye children. Have a good luck, good time.